And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp voice call problem. So basically, this problem may arise if your phone's, microphone is damaged. So first make sure if your phone's hardware is not damaged. If your phone's microphone is damaged physically, then you cannot do anything from your phone. You need to take it to a technician and fix it. So first make sure if your phone's microphone is not damaged, and if it is not damaged and you still have this problem, then follow these steps to fix it. So the first thing is open WhatsApp, and when you're calling somebody, make sure your microphone is not muted. Like when you're calling somebody and your microphone is muted, then of course they're not gonna hear your voice. So make sure it is not muted. And the other thing is make sure your microphone permission is allowed on WhatsApp. So to check if it is allowed or not, just go out of WhatsApp and hold on the WhatsApp logo, and then this setting opens up, and then in this setting click on app info, and once you're in app info, go on permissions, and on permission make sure all these permissions are turned on. The most important one is microphone and phone. These two should be turned on, because if your microphone is not turned on, then your WhatsApp is not able to access your microphone because your phone is not letting it access. So make sure it's turned on so your WhatsApp has the access to it, and after that you should be able to fix this problem. But if you still have this problem, then the last thing we're going to do is clear cache of WhatsApp. So what this is going to do is this is going to offload WhatsApp. So what offloading means is it's going to clear all the data of WhatsApp. So when you're doing this, it's going to delete all your chats on WhatsApp. It's basically going to make your WhatsApp new, and when you open WhatsApp you need to relog into your account. So remember, before doing this, back up your chats on WhatsApp if there are important things on WhatsApp, because if you do this, your chats are going to be deleted. So click on storage usage, click on clear data, and then click on clear over here. And after doing this, all your cache stored by WhatsApp is going to be deleted, and when you open WhatsApp you need to relog into your account, and it should fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then the last option is delete WhatsApp and reinstall it again. What this is going to do is if there is any corrupted file which is causing this problem, it's going to fix it.